last day, last activity.
So we are wrapping up our time here in La Huasteca, and it's been a great one. It went by so freaking fast.
I know.
It's not fair.
Fast. Hopefully, it ends with a bang.
Yes, this is supposed to be an insane waterfall. So we'll get more into it in a bit. First, coffee.
We're taking a long, bumpy road to Tamul Waterfall.
So this is our last day in La Huasteca, and we saved what is supposed to be an amazing waterfall for last. So we've seen pictures and it's extremely impressive.
Yeah.
So we're very excited to be checking it out. There's actually two ways to get to the cascada. The more popular option is rowing a boat for about 30 minutes upstream towards the waterfall. So when you get to a fork in the road, you can turn left and continue to the area with all the boats, or you can do what we're gonna do today.
We're heading to a camp. It's called Campamento Tamul, and then from there I read that you can park and then walk down to the base of the waterfall.
So we're going on a little hike. We chose to do the hike because we wanted to do it a little differently and get some exercise in while we're at it.
I also do want to see the waterfall from the top, so I think this is the way to do it.
Also, the thing about the boats is they fit about 20 people or something like that. They're massive, and you have to pay about $500 for each boat. So if you're coming in a group, maybe that's a good deal for you guys. But since there's only two of us, maybe not such a great deal. And we really want to do the hike. It'd be nice to get a different perspective of the waterfall. So we're going this route instead. However, be prepared to travel down a very long, bumpy road for about 6 kilometers in your car. So hopefully your car will make it.
Hopefully ours does.
I know. Okay, that's a bit exaggerated, but it really is pretty bumpy. But it's a nice and scenic view.
Oh, it's so scenic. We just missed the scenic part.
Oh. Yeah. We speak cow now. Oh, whoa. Is that a combination of a horse, donkey, cow? Gracias. So there is a gate. We got really discouraged and thought that we weren't going to be able to pass, but they just charge you a fee of 20 pesos to pass. But she did say
there's no water.
Que no hay nada de agua. She was like, but there's literally no water. So we're gonna go show you guys a dry cliff. Ah, such a bummer. Maybe there'll be water at the bottom and we can swim in it.
Yeah, at least, I mean, we like hiking.
Yeah, we do. If not, it's a good hike. Sad day, but good hike. It's an adventure, guys. Whatever, nothing always works out the way you hope it does.
Yeah.
But you guys can learn from us. Don't come to see Tamul Waterfall at the beginning of March because there's no water. Or wait until there's a heavy rainfall and then come.
Yeah, but the rest of La Huasteca is perfectly awesome.
Yeah, true. If you give yourself enough time, maybe make a different trip for Tamul or something. Bummer. It's okay. Onward. It seems we have met an impasse. Oh my god. Mira, no se mueven. Hey. Shh. There we go. Muévete. Vámonos. Don't move. Excuse me. Hey. This one doesn't give two craps. Excuse me. Thank you.
Cute.
Bye. You monster. Stubborn cows. Okay, can't you be nice and friendly and grazing like them? Sorry guys, don't mind us. We won't bother you for another couple hours. Oh, there's water in this little spring here.
There's water.
There's a little bit of water. Oh, so clear. So, looks like there will be a little bit of water. Not moving water, but there will be maybe pools of city water. So, we have a gate, barbed fence. So we're gonna walk in because this is actually where we're supposed to be heading and where we're supposed to park our car, Campamento Tamul. Looks like we're just gonna leave our car parked here and find our way around and then get on the trail. So there should be a marked trail. We'll see what happens. Yeah, this isn't working out the way we thought it was gonna be. If you learn anything from this, guys, don't come during dry season because they really don't run tours, so there's no point in being open, right? We still want to check it out and see it for ourselves, so we're gonna go ahead and try it anyways. We found the trail.
Yeah, usually this is called Campamento Tamul, and they offer camping and they offer some cabins and stuff, usually, but they're closed right now because I guess it's dry season. We didn't know that. This is usually used for a place where you can park your car to get to this trail.
And this is what we need, the trail down towards the waterfall.
We are happy to be hiking again. We hike quite often when we were in China and Hong Kong and stuff, and we haven't done so much hiking. I'm just happy to be on a trail.
Happy to be hiking again. We are at the top of the waterfall, guys. If water was rushing, we would not be able to stand here. So I guess that's a little bright side of it. You can walk around through the river. It's really pretty. We're so tempted to just jump in this pool of water, but you literally see the mosquitoes swarming like an entire layer on the top. So we don't know how long water's been sitting. So we're just gonna give you guys a view from the top.
There's beauty in everything, guys.
You literally could not even tell this was a river. Yeah, but then you see random little pools of water. And I mean, it's beautiful. There's tons of birds and it's really nice for a little hike.
And the view of the river you get from up here is incredible. The water is so blue.
Just be careful near the edge, guys.
Yeah, don't get too close.
Next time.
Next time.
Next time,
there
for
will be
sure.
a next time.
But for now, we'll leave you with that, guys. We're gonna hike back down. The hike up was what, like 15, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes. You can also hike down to see the waterfall.
From the bottom,
There is a little path. It's marked. The path is marked, but what are we gonna look up at? So we're actually gonna head off to a bonus spot we weren't planning on visiting.
Yeah, since we got finished here early, we decided to make some time for it.
But we'll tell you about that place when we get there. So just know, surprise spot. Let's go.